highly delighted to see all these dolls. It represents the whole of Sanathana Dharma, Esha Dharma Sanatanaha. In fact, in our Hindu culture, in our Sanathana Dharma, Brahman, the cause of the universe, is not just the instrumental cause, but also the material cause. It's a very important thing. Then only, from this only, the concept of unity in diversity evolves. Unity in diversity, which is the spirit of India, evolves from the Upanishadic philosophy, Vedic philosophy, that Brahman is the material cause of the universe. So on seeing all these dolls, I asked Mr. Mani how it is made of. What is the material cause of all these dolls? He was telling paper, clay, so on and so forth. That's
Prema,
fine.
actually prema.
Yes,
Mani always
yes.
used to say, you
Yeah.
always make it out of prema, not the just materials. Yeah.
True. So, in that sense, Loka Kalyana is the material cause of all these dolls. That is how the whole thing came. So, we all can have in our heart the idea of the spirit of Loka Kalyana, universal welfare. With this, we have made these wonderful dolls, and it's a very nice experience. A small suggestion, a common suggestion, we should include in these dolls some sculptures of Harappa, Mohenjo-daro also, and also, if I have not seen it, Kiradi sculptures. Okay, people are talking a lot about Kiradi, but I have not yet seen any sculpture of Kiradi. But if at all it is that, we can include that also. This is a suggestion. Dhanyawad.